One of the main reasons the Beaches Chamber of Commerce has been so successful is the dedicated staff and volunteers who work tirelessly for our members.
The success of your Tampa Bay Beaches Chamber of Commerce, I put all of that value, all the responsibility in every single volunteer that we have had working at the Welcome Center, doing check-in as an ambassador at our events, making phone calls to members in a phone bank, doing pop-ins as a board member in any capacity, running Taste of the Beaches through special events, governmental affairs, advocating for initiatives that we advocate for. In any way, those volunteers, without them, this organization wouldn't exist in the magnitude that it does, in the growth that we've had over the last several years. And so without volunteers, we're nothing, and we value all our volunteers.